This episode is brought to you by Setzer's World of Camping. And follow the checkerboard circle to orange.
Sketchbook here to show you what's coming up next on Tigson Goldstone.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Imagine Porch 2.0. The following is Tigson Goldstone cartoon, Montana Flapjack, Little Vinny, and of course, Tycoon Tales. On with the show.
Elroy, come here, please.
What is it, Leo?
Why is your eyes red?
Yeah, you've got the Viewmaster viewer on for 10 hours.
You mean Viewmaster? Dizziness?
That's right. You've got a bad case of Viewmaster dizziness.
Tigson, the Tri-River bus is waiting. We better get going.
I hope you did not faint and fall to the floor, but if you master dizziness,
Went? I've been viewing those slides on a Viewmaster for 10 hours. And I've got a bad case of Viewmaster dizziness.
and you might want to listen to the slides from the Caboose Park projector screen.
And Sue Ellen and Ned got a projector to view these presentations about Viewmaster dizziness.
Oh, give me a break! Here's the slideshow about the bad case of Viewmaster dizziness. Number 1. Dry eyes. When you viewed those slides for 10 hours, you might end up in dry eyes.
Number 2. Fainting. Every person uses the Viewmaster all day and end up in fainting.
Number 3. Blurred vision. Every person has blurred vision from using the Viewmaster. Your eyes will be blurred.
And what about Viewmaster Reels Go?
Into the Viewmaster viewer or the projector.
And this is how the Viewmaster viewer looks like. It's like the color red, and it's very, very old, from 1939.
Greenman will only use the Viewmaster viewer for 10 minutes.
Got it, Stripey?
Mr. Sketty will might have to do other things than in Viewmaster,
I'm on it, Stripey.
and View Gallows will have to get ready to go to Caboose Park every Wednesday.
And every guy in River Mates goes to Caboose Park every Wednesday.
Boris, off the Viewmaster right now.
No, I'm just viewing these slides.
Clyde said to pop the eyes out from the Viewmaster.
Still viewing.
Do you want to get dizziness?
Nope. Still viewing the slides.
Clyde, Puma, Andy. Why is there a Viewmaster sitting on a saucer chair with Boris?
Do you think that's fun? Watch this.
Here's the star of the show, Monty.
Sherry, there's no way you could sleep on the dirt box.
Sherry sleeps the day away.
No wonder she stayed up late last night.
My niece Erica was a troublemaker.
Just let her sleep on the couch, Tori.
Don't let my niece mess with her. Nothing like a soothing hot tub. That's really, really refreshing.
And keeps you hydrated.
That sounded like a niece came out.
And she really is a troublemaker.
Plim? Plim? Where's Plim? Erica, don't do that.
Don't mess with me again.
She was sleepy and grumpy and sent me to that couch for messing with her.
Mess with me again, and I'm locking you for good.
She got very, very mad.
Gosh, that wagon is full of seeds. You should be planting these in your dirt box.
What can I plant first?
Pick up any seed packet.
I might plant some vegetables and cook a vegetable soup.
Start with holes and then cover it up.
And water it.
I can't believe that troublemaker threw me and Plim.
She got very, very upset and threw her to the couch for good.
You're right, Plim. She's really, really getting in trouble for throwing us.
She needs to apologize for throwing us.
Sorry, Plim. Sorry, Max.
Do you promise not to mess up with Sherry again?
No, I won't do it again.
This is Sketchdork speaking. Tigson Goldstone and friends is going to take a short break.
And here's the star of the show, Little Vinny.
Vinny, come answer.
Timmy, can't you see? I'm trying to paint a lovely scene.
Justin is looking at me. I must find a hiding place.
No hiding place here.
There you are. You're gonna be locked up in that cellar.
Justin, get me out.
Now for the arts and crafts chest.
I have come to take your arts and crafts chest.
No, no! My arts and crafts chest!
Nice work, Justin.
Now, what are you going to do with that arts and crafts chest?
I must sketch those pictures on the walls. Not so fast. Hand over that arts and crafts chest. What? I was going to draw something on the walls. You're gonna hand over that arts and crafts chest, or else. Or else what? Or else I'll skin you alive.
Drum it, Victor.
Vinny, you forgot something.
Thank you for the arts and crafts chest, Tio.
You're welcome, Vinny.
And now, for the painting.
Nice paintbrush, Vinny.
One of these days, you might paint.
Another tip. Do not draw nothing on the walls.
That is another tip from Wooly. And have you seen Michael anywhere?
Here I am, Wooly.
Michael, was you bowled over enemies?
Yep, Michael style.
And Tio handed back the arts and crafts chest and gone back to the blue room.
Happy paintings! It's the first day of school in Moscow, Russia. Winky Dink is up, while Senior Nerves stands on a mattress and talk. Why is there a senior standing on top of the mattress?
Do you think that's my green sneakers?
Today is my first day of school, and I haven't gotten my school supplies packed.
Pack up school supplies? No way.
Take that!
Winky Dink, I've got your school supplies packed out for you.
Thank you, Pino.
Get ready for your first day of school. I'll meet you in the classroom.
Sure thing, Pino.
Anyway, have you seen these two?
Looks like they're not getting ready. They need to pack up the school supplies. Blake and Dante have not packed up the school supplies.
Dante, have you packed up your school supplies?
No, I have not.
Where's my backpack?
It must be one of the chairs, sitting there waiting.
Kenny G have given out the backpacks to their children.
Have a tiger coon to celebrate school days.
Those school backpacks have filled up with pencils, crayons, notebooks, sharpeners, bookmarks, in 3-ring binder.
They must have their backpacks zipped up, closed, and the school bus picks up.
In the month of August, it was almost time to go back to school.
And here are the compliments about going back to school.
Take it away, Ambrosius.
They will be driving to kindergarten.
They might be meeting their teachers in kindergarten.
Children must get up out of the bed and get ready to go to school every day.
And must write the answers on a piece of paper if the question is texted.
And listen to the teacher and follow the rules and greet their classmates.
And classmates must get their lunch boxes out for lunch.
Thanks to Blake, who got ready to go to school. Tigson Goldstone was brought to you by Chick-fil-A.
That's it for today. The Imagine Porch, sunshine. Down, down, till bedtime.
Chirp.